Now, Lou, you're gonna get your chance to put the button on this whole thing. But before we do, apparently, Freddy Stebbins wants to be gay and say thank you to people. So, Freddy, where are you? Freddy, do you want to say thank you or let's go to the back? Okay, Freddy's coming right now. We're going to say a little thank you for everyone who made this show possible. Freddy's got a list because he's sensitive in the anus. Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for Freddy Stebbins who can't.
Hey guys. So anyways, before we close this show out, boy, give it up for fucking, Joe Thurman was like, can I have a minute? I'm like, okay, whatever. Alright, so before we close this thing out, Lou, oh, and by the way, Joe, who was just up here, who has been my right-hand man for 2.5 years, and great guy. His birthday is at midnight. He turns 30 at midnight. So. Yeah, we're gonna be here until 3 a.m. Also, remember Tuesdays we have trivia. Saturdays we have and Sundays is cocaine. I want to say a few thank yous. Andrew and Michael Falsetto, the owners here, have been so fantastic. Thank you, Michael. Ian and Felipe, the managers. Ian and Felipe have been so great. They paid for everything tonight. We want to thank our bar staff tonight. Ian, everyone knows Ian and Betsy and Vicky and Carlos and Lewis. They're great. Tip them because Lou doesn't pay them anything. It's Charlotte's birthday today as well, by the way. You know, this guy doesn't get enough credit, but we all love the old man Keith. Give it up for Keith. I also want to thank, of course, Joe, who set all this up. Joe and Brian O'Leary's, who's here tonight. They did all this. They donated some of the equipment, so thank you to Joe and Brian. And then, of course, our comedians, Eric De Silva, Nathan Loxon. Poor Nathan, you got roasted tonight. I don't know why. Call me later. John Gregory, David Martin, Mary Smith, Chris Rowe, Dan Weiss. I think we got everyone, right? That's it. So I just want to thank everyone that came out tonight. This party continues. Let me hang it. By the way, before I get off, Lou, I just want to tell you this. Lou is the reason why I got back into doing a weekly show, and this is considered the best Thursday night room in all of South Florida. Doesn't pay shit, but anyways, no, it does a little bit, and we get the best comedians in the United States that come here, and they're going to have a few more, so we're going to miss you, Lou, but come on back, and if not, then can I suck your cock later? Okay, here we go. Give it up for Eric.
Give him Freddy one more time.